Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And today we will play Among Us again, but try to win every game on it. Well, just try to. I'm not saying we'll actually win every game, but we'll just try to. So yeah, let's start it then. So I will try to win every game, and everybody know how hard it is to play win every game. I mean, and so as I actually by mistake changed my color. So from this color, I can actually become the imposter a lot of times. Just pretty awesome. So this is a small lobby, so we'll join a large lobby that has got a lot of people. So, oh no, my color changed to banana. No, my color. Let's take some. Oh no, there are only 3 colors left. I, it's this, yellow, brown, and whatever. And let's take the yellow color because it started. It straight away started the game. It started, yeah. So sorry. So let's see if oh no, I become a crewmate. That's why I always take the lime color, because on that I can become the imposter a lot of times. And let's see if I have a task to clean vent. Oh no, I don't. Oh no. Okay, so let's go to meeting room and enter ID code. So I actually like to this ladder over here. I like that Among Us made this ladder over here. It's really good. So that's over there done. Yay! And today's video I would make really small, just 2 games. So start fans. Now I'm going to ventilation and going to start fans. I don't like that task because that task is like a brainy task, and it's really hard to remember the code. And why is this pink person opening all the doors? And he is not even doing like a lounge bathroom clean task, because in the bathroom it is only clean task and he wasn't doing it. So I'm thinking to myself, he was finding a crewmate to oh, he's doing a task over here. Who knows, it's even fake task, who knows. Oh, red called a meeting. Oh man, oh no, that bodies. Okay, that actually, oh, I think both hold the tree. Let's actually ask who? Castle Sam? Who's Castle Sam? Oh, green light line. So let's vote him. No, don't vote anybody out. Then why did you call a meeting? Oh, Lime got ejected. Actually, I didn't saw Lime at all in the game, so I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Oh, he was the imposter. Okay, so, oh, actually we won. Yay! So the first game we won. Let's see if we become. Oh, the host isn't starting. So let's leave this and join a small lobby this time. So yeah, just go. Oh, that is a lobby. Oh, what's happening? Start? Oh! Is there a hacker in this lobby? Because as you can see at the bottom, it's written start. Oh my god. What's happening? This lobby is hacking. It's a hacking Oh, my player is over there. Where are the other people gone? I think there is a problem in this game. So let's join some other lobby. What is that actually? I hope that. Oh, Chari? Oh! Oh! Everybody know how Among Us. Oh, that's super slow. The speed is super slow of the players. But Chari hasn't got a captain. Oh, Chari actually increased the speed. Oh, now people are also joining. So, actually, I think he's a fake Chari because he hasn't got a capital C. So, let's say fake Chari. And he always does a story video. Chari always does a story video on imposters, on bad imposters which are bad and creatures. But there isn't any. Oh, there isn't any creature at all over here, so that's why. Because I'm not my Among Us player isn't a creature, and Chari is a crewmate, and Nuka Cola. I think he's a policeman. He has got an outfit as a policeman. So now let's start. I'm not. I'm Wreck. So why do you have a cat small? Oh, the game started. Let's see if I become an imposter. If I become the imposter, I would kill that fake Chari. And if I don't, it would be a bit sad, but still it's okay. Oh, I became the imposter! Oh my god, I became the imposter finally. Oh, there are a lot of fake tasks. Oh, there is a clean vent task in Oh, Chari's over there. There's a fake clean vent task in cockpit. So yeah, let's find some crewmates. So where is Chari, man? I remember he went over here somewhere in main hall. Normally Chari. Oh, anyone. Let's take out this person. Bye bye. Yeah, we finally took one. Oh. It won't be good. Oh my. I think because there are only 3 people and this Nuka Cola. Oh no, I think we are gonna lose this game because. Oh! Ooh, I thought there were only 3 players. I saw admin. Enemies. Yes, I won! Even the second game I won! Oh, I'm the host this time. That means Chari actually left. We won. Yeah, the second game also I won. So what? Oh no. No. This is actually my first game that I'm hosting because no one even ever comes to my lobby. I don't know why. So, oh no. Everybody left. So let's take Lime Color and then left. Then leave, I mean. Okay, one more game and we're gonna end this video because my phone's battery is also going. Oh, 0. I have a feeling that this lobby is not good. I mean, it's not really safe to play in this lobby because as you can see, my friend also plays with me and he's the game was so close to start. No. And my friend actually says that the people that have Chinese and Japanese names, they are mostly the Chinese and Japanese players. They mostly become the imposter when they have the name. So you can win when you play with that. Normally. So yeah, let's see if I become the imposter again. I'm pretty sure we have taken a lot of. Oh no, I become the crewmate this guy. I'm becoming a crewmate a lot of times, so now. Oh, what? I was near the wall only. So let's go to download data. I really don't like. I think this task is actually normally pretty bad. I don't like this task because it is in every map, man. And I've always play on airship because it's so big and so fun to play in it. But at the same time, it's really risky because people can find you easily. That's why I normally join small lobbies. So let's do this upload data task. Oh, perfect this time. Oh, we got a perfect upload. So one task completed. So now let's go. Oh, I have a gap room clean one task. No! I told you the Chinese name. I told you the Chinese name and Japanese name who the people have in there among us. They normally become the imposter. Okay, so that was it for the video, and until then, we'll see you next video. And I'm. What is happening? What? What the? Yeah. So that is it for the video, and until then, we'll see you next video, and bye.